back to my channel. Today is day 2 of me trading 100k competition from my funded FX, and I showed you a trade I entered on Monday, which is the first day we started this competition. That is the 1st May, and today is 3rd May. I wasn't able to enter a trade yesterday. Here's how the trade I took on Monday played out. That is my first trade, and you can see my account balance is at $98,735. So this trade was a loss. I bought here. If you watched my previous video, you can see reasons why I entered this buy trade here using 5 lots GBP USD at 1.25289, and my stop loss was below here, and then price pushed up. I was quite busy, I wasn't online. I would have moved stop loss to break even, so price slashed down and came back down and hit my stop loss. I was in profit. If I was online and I saw this reversal candlesticks, I would have taken profit. This reversal candlesticks, to be precise. Let me scroll so that you will see this weak rejections. I would have taken profit, but nevertheless we still move on with trading regardless of the outcome. And here is my history. You can see I only placed one trade, which is this trade GBP USD. So my stop loss was hit and I lost $1,240. For now, I'm not seeing any trade opportunity. Just going to be patient and then get a very nice sweet setup, and then I'll update you on day 3. See you soon.